Hi, in this video I'll be reviewing Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 by Jonathon Montoya. I will be giving you my honest review and showing you what you can expect. Also, you might want to stick around to the end of this video if you want access to my exclusive bonuses. If you don't know me, my name is Jaslyn Kaur and my purpose is to help you build a long-term sustainable business. So this is Freedom 2.0, the dashboard, and this is what it's going to look like. This affiliate stacking ecosystem. On the left hand side here you can see all these tabs, and we're going to go through some of these. So the first one is a 3-day business breakthrough challenge. This is the basic what you need to do when you start, especially if you're a beginner. I would recommend going through day 1, 2 and 3, and so that you fully understand what you're doing and how to set everything up. The next tab is how you can grow on YouTube. It's a live training part of the 3-day challenge, and that's really good to know as well. He says Jonathon is then going to give you his exact YouTube video scripts, slides, keywords and templates as a bonus. Before you do go ahead and start 2.0, I would recommend watching this video. It's an introduction to the course. Module 1 is again another introduction to the stacking system. The stacking system is a brand new strategy that Jonathon has introduced. It's not been seen before, and basically you can learn about it all there, and he goes into in-depth example of the stacking system. Module 2 is how to create the perfect affiliate funnel. If you don't know what a funnel is, you'll know what a funnel is on day 2. And he's going to show you how to create a lead magnet, the perfect bridge page, and he goes into a lot of detail there. Day 3 is email marketing mastery. Now this is going to be the backbone of your business. You're going to need to learn this if you want to build a business for the long term. Again, there's a lot of details to learn there. He goes into a lot of detail there. Okay, module 4 is another really good module, the king of free traffic for YouTube. I've started this and he's going to show you how you can basically dominate YouTube and grow. He's going to show you how to automate automate the optimization process, click-through rate, the perfect thumbnails, everything. Again, there's another module here which is a free traffic with TikTok. TikTok you're going to need for your business if you want to get quick traffic and blow up basically, and you can learn about it from there. My 2 favorite modules is module 7. Okay, you can also have module 6, sorry, is Facebook groups, which is another good one that you can learn. But module 7 and module 8 are my favorites. Daniel Chol is module 7, and this is one that I've done, and it's just basically he's telling you what to do step by step, click by click, how to create your bonus page, how to create your perfect bonus package. He's going to show you how he earns 20k a month. He's giving you his funnel, so you just copy it over to your ClickFunnels and it's there, it's done. This new switch, it's bait and switch method, amazing. And Joshua Ong, basically again step by step, he's going to talk through the psychology of success with Facebook, the success cycle, the power momentum, how to set up your profile, how to delete inactive friends or non-target audience, adding your ideal client and daily method of operation, which I found very helpful, limitless content strategy, the content strategy, the value framework. It's never ending, you know, how to post on Facebook, the power of Facebook stories, high intention, low attachment, everything that you need to know. And then module 9, you've got creating the affiliate website asset, and we've got a super affiliate. I think it's a 7-figure earner, Nathan Lucas. He's going to show you how you can rank at the top of Google, and again this is really good to learn for later on. And then there's other modules there as well, launch jacking, which is a really good module. So that's that, and it's you can overall see that there's a lot of information, a lot of value that you can get. Now, if you do decide to go ahead with this, I'm going to share with you my bonuses. So, as I said at the beginning, I'm going to show you how you can get access to my bonuses, and this is my bonus offer for you. Okay, so you're going to click on the link in the description and it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, so what is my bonus? So my first bonus is valued at just under 3 grand, and I'm giving you this for free. My first bonus is one-to-one coaching with me. Okay, so I will be coaching you for 3 months. I'll be holding you accountable and we will be having bi-weekly calls. You will have unlimited access to me on WhatsApp. I will be sharing with you my knowledge, experience of affiliate marketing. I will also be holding your hand and guiding you and showing you step by step what you need to do. I'll say 3 months. By the end of the 3 months, you'll probably be doing this yourself, but you'll have unlimited access to me even after the 3 months. Bonus 2 is valued at 584. I'm going to show you how you can get 1,000 TikTok followers. Again, this is very powerful training that you don't want to miss. Bonus 3 is valued at just under one, that is valued at 1479. It's how to 10x your sales with Freedom Breakthrough. Obviously you want, the whole point of this is so that you can start earning money, and I want to help you do that straight away with this training. Bonus 4 is valued at 249, is Instagram Mastery training. If you do decide to utilize Instagram, again, I've got everything that you need to do here step by step. Bonus 5 is valued at just under $1,000. It's six-figure blogging. If you can master blogging, you're set for life. And this training basically shows you step by step how you can become a six-figure blogger. It's beginner friendly. Okay, and then also I'm going to review your YouTube and TikTok as well. So even if you don't already use YouTube or you don't have a TikTok, not a problem. I will help you set this up step by step and make sure that it's fully optimized. Bonus 7 is valued at just under 2 grand. I'm giving you my PLR library with 222 video courses just for you. Bonus 8 is this is just a course within itself. It's valued just under 2.5 grand. So it's a premium collection for Elite Affiliate Pro. This is a very in-depth course and it's mind blowing. Basically, let's just put it at that. So obviously you're going to want to get access to all these amazing bonuses, and how you can do that is just going ahead to the bonus page, click on any picture. It's going to take you to this page right here, and what you're going to do once it loads, I'll show you what to do. You're going to click Join Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. You can watch the video that Jonathan's there, you can read through the information, and once you've clicked that, it's going to take you to this part here, the payment, right? So Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, you can either make one payment of 1497, or there's an option for you to have 3 monthly payments, which are at 597 each. Select whichever one you want. Go ahead and put your email, phone number, credit card details in, or you can pay through PayPal and go ahead and join. And once you've joined, please reach out through to me, either messenger, email. All the details are in the description below. And once you've obviously done that, I will send over the bonuses to you and book our first coaching call. So that is my review. I hope you found it helpful. If you've got any questions, either leave them in the comment section below, reach out to me through any of my social handles, they're all in the description. Please like and subscribe to my channel, I appreciate it, and I hope you found this helpful. Oh, also, if you're not happy with your investment, you've got 14 days to get a full refund. Wow, that's amazing. Jonathan will always continue to update the course, okay? So you will have lifetime access to this even in the future. If he decides to bring out 3.0, 4.0, you will get the update straight away. And also you'll get instant approval as an affiliate when you buy the course. You can start basically earning money straight away. How cool is that? So yeah, please go ahead, like and subscribe, and let me know if you've got any questions. Reach out to me, I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching.